comforting that people like you never change. You underlings all stumbling to catch our gaze.
Crumbling under the pressure, don't you just love obsession? Your struggle bursts my pleasure. Sadistic intentions. I move you slowly, like bishops, castles, queens. You'd be so lonely if there were not for me. The passion, touching a pain, hanging the power we hold over your mind, over your body, and your signed away soul.
If you're looking to impress, entertain, not be of use, then prove you care as much as you say you do.
I want you crying for me. I want you. I want you. I want you fighting for me. And when you hold
Cry for me.
Okay, all jokes aside, this video is just for entertainment purposes only. And Iron Mouse, if one of your fans told you about this video isn't made to made to mock you or any jokes or anything. But if you're a fan who just stumbles across my video that I made as a joke, not to to mock your idol, and then just put some slurs or anything. Anyways, just leave a like to show. What the fuck? So I should just feel appreciated. Bye.